What if I told you one of the most legendary gaming consoles of all time is making a comeback in 2026? Yes, the Xbox 360 is back, but not the one you remember. This is something completely different. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the new Xbox 360 2026 edition, a modern revival of a classic legend. And trust me, this will hit your nostalgia hard. Before we talk about the future, let's remember what made the Xbox 360 so special. This console gave us Halo 3, the golden era of Call of Duty, the beginning of GTA 5 Online, and unforgettable split-screen gaming. It wasn't just a console, it was a memory machine. Late-night gaming with friends, trash talking on voice chat, and those iconic startup sounds. Now imagine all of that, rebuilt for 2026. The new Xbox 360 2026 keeps its iconic shape, but now it's sharper, cleaner, and more premium. Matte black and chrome finish, custom RGB ring inspired by the classic design, compact and lightweight body, and a silent cooling system. It looks retro, but feels futuristic. Now let's talk power, because this is where things get crazy. This is not the old 360. Custom next-gen processor, 4K gaming support, 120 FPS smooth gameplay, ray tracing enabled, and 1 to 2 terabyte SSD storage. Games load almost instantly. No lag, no waiting, just pure performance. Here's the best part. You can still play your old Xbox 360 games. Yes, your original discs and digital library work perfectly, but now, you get enhanced graphics, faster loading, and smoother frame rates. Your childhood games, but upgraded. Xbox Live is now more powerful than ever, with cloud gaming support, cross-platform multiplayer, and voice chat with AI noise cancellation. Everything just feels, well, next level. You can even switch between games instantly. And yes, you can even play without downloading games. Everything is faster, smarter, and more connected. The new controller keeps the classic feel, but adds modern upgrades like haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, better grip and comfort, and yeah, even longer battery life. It still feels like Xbox 360, but evolved. This console is not just about gaming, it's about bringing back an era where gaming was simple, fun, and unforgettable. The Xbox 360 2026 is not competing, it's reminding us why we fell in love with gaming in the first place. So, what do you think? Would you buy the new Xbox 360 in 2026, or should it stay a legend of the past? Comment below, and if you love content like this, hit that subscribe button and join the family, because here, we don't just talk about one thing. We explore the future of everything. See you in the next video.